everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another beauty box from Cult Beauty and it's the Scalp to Soul Edit. And it was released a couple of days ago. It contains 7 beauty products, 3 of which are full size. It retails for £45 and it has a value of around £130. It's still available on their website, so if you're interested in getting one for yourself, then you'll find a link to it down below in my description. And down there you'll see a link to the Cult Beauty limited edition beauty box page, and also I'll pop my Cult Beauty personal code down there. Can't be used against beauty boxes, unfortunately, but if you shop regularly on the website, then my code CBXBeautyGeek can get you up to 20% off nearly everything besides the beauty boxes. But yeah, you're welcome to use it if you want to, but you'll find everything down below in my description. So yeah, let's get on to show me then what's inside. I got a bit of a bargain with this one, gotta be honest. I was thinking, shall I, shan't I? I bought a couple of things to unbox already. This came out and I thought, ooh, there's some good products in there. And then I went into my Cult Beauty account and then I had some vouchers that I hadn't used, which is always good, isn't it? But yeah. Let's start off with Allies of Skin, and this is Molecular Skin Amino Hydrating Cleanser. Use daily, AM, PM, a BH Balance Universal Gel Cleanser with silk amino acids, safflower, moringa oils, vitamin C and astaxanthin. I think that's how you say it. Removes daily grime, pollution and makeup without stripping the skin. And there's 100 mils there. This is one brand that I'm not that familiar with. I've tried a couple of products, mainly samples. So I haven't got a firm sort of opinion about the brand in full, but it's a brand that I'd like to try more of their products. It says leave on the skin for an extra couple of minutes for more of a silky feel to the skin. I like that. A little bit on my hand there. Just want to see what it looks like and if it smells. It's a nice thick gel. No, it's got an oil type smell, but it's fragrance free. Yeah, it's going to be a nice one. I think that's going to really get in there and get rid of all the makeup and stuff. So yeah, Silk Amino Hydrating Cleanser from Allies of Skin. Then we've got Paula's Choice. This is from the Exfoliate range. 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. It contains salicylic acid for all skin types and there's 30 mils here. This is a really, really good one. I love this. It's a product that I've been using for years. Even though my skin at the moment is really good, I'm on strong medication to control acne. It's hormonal acne. It's great for tackling texture on the skin, so smoothing and evening the skin tone, and also great at unclogging pores as well. So I use it about 2 or 3 times a week and it just leaves my skin super smooth and soft. It feels so, so good. I really love it when I have these in beauty boxes. Then we've got Grown Alchemist Skin Defence Primer. There's 50 mils here. Bit of a different product to try. I've tried the gorgeous orange smelling hand cream and the exfoliator, but yeah, Skin Defence Primer. Don't know about this one. This lightweight hydrating primer forms a defensive layer to leave skin feeling protective and smooth, formulated to glide over the skin to instantly blur and prep for makeup application. Okay, let's give it a go. Look at that, can you see? Ooh, it's clear. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, that feels really cold. How is it doing that? Yeah, this is really exciting for me. I don't know if you'll be able to see on the camera. A load of pores there. As soon as I applied it to the skin, it feels amazing on the skin, but it blurs the pores. Yeah, feels so nice and cooling. Does it say that it's blurs? I don't think it does it? No? What am I looking at? Something else there. It's a hydrating primer. It leaves your skin feeling smooth. I've got large pores. Massive, massive large pores. So I get excited whenever I find anything that helps to blur. Really looking forward to trying that out. And we've got Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. We always get these in a box. I've got nothing against this product at all. I think it's gorgeous. It smells gorgeous. It feels gorgeous on the skin. But we see it a lot. Just holidays. It's just really nice cream. It contains firming ingredients. So yeah, it's a nice cream, but not really exciting for this time of year. I think maybe something else would have been better. That's just me. We've got Nue Super Thick Density Building Scalp Serum. And there is 15 mils there. The little one. Applied to scalp, gently massage to help stimulate circulation. Leave for 20 minutes and then wash hair as usual. So it's a pre-wash sort of treatment for your hair. And yes, super thick. Oh, I'll give that a go. I'm not sure if I've had this before actually. It does ring a bell, but I'll give that a go. That's be quite easy to use. Oh, BIOEFFECT, gorgeous Icelandic brand. Super, super expensive. Whenever beauty boxes add the BIOEFFECT serum, EGF serum, the boxes sell out. Guaranteed, any brand adds that serum in, as long as the price is right, obviously. It sells out super fast, including cultbeauty, which have added that serum in a few times. It's such a gorgeous serum, and the brand is gorgeous as well. It's Imprinting Hydrogel Mask, Hydrating Face Mask with hyaluronic acid. And it's just one mask in there. I go to Iceland. I've gone every year for the last 2 years, and I want to go again. I just go for 3 or 4 nights. I just love it. It feels to me the closest thing to home, which is weird because obviously I live in Wales. There's no volcanoes or icebergs where I'm from, but it just reminds me of home in some way. Just the landscape and everything is just so lovely, and the people are lovely. The towns are nice and clean. I really like it. Yes, it's expensive. You can do it with a budget, which is why I only tend to go for 3 or 4 nights. But I love Iceland so much. But yeah, I keep meaning to go to the shop. There's a BIOEFFECT shop in Reykjavik. I'm not sure if I'll be able to buy anything in there, but just want to go in and have a look to see all the products that they do. And then lastly, we've got Vida Glow. These are berry mixed flavour food supplements, liquid sachets of collagen with manuka honey and vitamin C. There's 4 servings in here, and they each contain 5,000 micrograms of collagen. I'll get them out and show you. I'm a fussy bugger when it comes to collagen. I just don't like any collagen supplement I've tried. I'm trying to force myself to eat. Hang on, there's supposed to be 4. No, sorry. 3 times 12.4. There, so that's what they look like. I've got a coffee collagen creamer, and it's all right, but I can still taste like the collagen. Ooh. I'm sure I've tried these ones before in the past as well. It delivers a concentrated double dose of natural marine collagen supercharged with manuka honey and vitamin C. It offers an on-the-go boost of bioavailable hydrolyzed collagen peptides in a delicious berry flavour. I'll give it a go. I'll probably add it into some squash as well, just to like try and get rid of the taste. But yeah, I'm not going to waste it. I will have it, but I'm not going to lie and say, they were great, because I don't think I will like it, but who knows. And there you go, those are all the products. We've got a hydrating cleanser, we've got collagen supplement, hydrating sheet mask, skin defence primer, a body cream, a BHA Liquid Exfoliating toner, and we've got a thickening hair serum pre-wash type treatment. 7 products in total, has a value of around £130 and can be bought for £45. I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Are you going to get it yourself, or are you going to hold off and see what they're going to do next? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.